Welcome to the Chinatown Storytelling Center. We're drawing back the curtain to show you what's been happening in the gallery over the past year. One of the most important things the center will be involved in is to document and preserve the history of Chinatown. Here's an example of a story from Joe Dang that will be featured in our theater when we open to the public.
Some of the ones that really hit me, one of the ones that really hit me, I went with my mother to Woodward's. And I remember, nylons first came out. Everybody's lining up for nylons. A whole pile of people. Well, she'd go like this, and then one server, right? Not until the very end. Last guy, I felt so bad. I was just a little guy, but I thought, there's something wrong here, right? Even then I felt so bad. So I felt bad for that. If you go to Rex Theater, we always got, they had usher in those days. So they had a flashlight and they direct you. So they always put us on the right side. And I remember one time, we're so crowded here, there's nobody sitting over there, so I went over to the middle part, and let's go over, the two of us. And the usher comes along and says, no, you got to get back there. It's not until I was an adult, and I think I was retired and started reading, I understood that that was for Asians only. You couldn't sit on the other side. But see, at the time we just took it as, it's reserved for other guys, right? So we lived it, but it didn't dawn on us. You don't realize it because that's what we did, right? We accepted it. I mean, that's the way it was.